Man, that big spotty bulldog is snoring. It's so loud. Now this is done. Oh, whoa, 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 I forgot to do something. I forgot to do something. Okay, now that we have a lot of Pikmin, or 63, we go to this grass. 5 of them grab on. They're picking grass. Oh, what is this? It was nectar, and it made the Pikmin flowers, so they're actually faster and do better in battle. I did not do a good job of surrounding them. Please they can get more. I don't want this little of flowers. Oh, come on! We got like 5 flowers. That's not good. Look how fast they are. You can't beat us. It is not good. I guess there's only one thing to do. And he's dead. Yeah, never died. We're number 1. Two take that. 2 take that. 2 take that. Oi. Sorry about that long cut. But I'm back. I'm back. Where are you? I'm gonna kill this. Ow. Lemon has his own life bar. It's halfway through the day. And I wake up the mum. Oh, you fired his own son. You bad thing. And the internal feud dynamo, it's back. It's back. Yay. We get 3 more fast, we get to go to a new area. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, 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 bum. 69! Well, that's a good number, don't you think, guys? Ah, never mind. Wait. Oh, there it is. Do 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 do. Okay, now it's not facing us, so we can do this much better. Ready? 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 Yeah, no deaths. Haven't had any deaths so far. That's pretty good, I have to say. Oh dear, what is it? I need to put these guys over here for a minute. It's a no Pikmin. It's a yellow Pikmin. Yay. It's a different color Pikmin. It can be thrown a lot higher. Whoopsies. Hit the onion. Threat. Hit that plant. Yo. You hit the plant like it's nobody's business. Well done. Luis, go, 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 go. Okay. Now I want to what fire? It's a bomb in a rock. It's a bomb rock. Yeah, that means it's a bomb rock. Wow! Break down my wall. Oh yeah. Yellow Pikmin are so violent, I guess. I guess. Let's get 4 reds. Okay. Whoever is carrying, whatever color Pikmin's carrying, has the most Pikmin carrying the object, it will go to that fair onion. That's pretty good. Come on! Getting lots of Pikmin now. I also want to go back here. Da, 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 da. Da, na, na, na. Na, 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 na. Come on, go, go, go. Go. Okay, you guys, come with me. Gonna go ship part. It's the whimsical radar. Let's us go look at the map. What are you doing? Run! Run, you Pikmin, run! That's so funny to watch. It's like run! Run, 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 run. Yay. Now get rid of you. Get rid of you. Yeah, no death. No death so far. These yellows. I'm hoping we can still get one more ship part, but we may not have enough time. How many yellows do we have? 30 yellows, that's quite good actually. Now leave that. I believe, oh, 31. 31 yellows. Now this, what I'm about to do, is going to be very, very risky. Since we have more reds, I'm just going to take them. I need at least 30. Oh, really? Okay, just go. Let's go. And with me doing this risky move, I may be able to get 3 ship parts. Okay, go, 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 go. I got like, I don't know, 2 minutes. Throw them all up here. I'm trying to not, or I will be waking up the Volvo. I might have some deaths, but only 10 can die. My goal is to get the ship part through without losing 11 Pikmin or more. Okay. Let's do it. It's the shock absorber. When I'm 40. This way. Hey, this way. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Retreat. Retreat. What the hell are you doing? Whoa, no. Just run. No time for grass. Oh, if I did that, just ran away. Oh well, getting that tomorrow. We had 17 deaths. Whoopsie, that can't be good. Oh well. Guess I'll see you guys next time. I'm gonna actually just go straight to sunset. Got 2 ship parts. But at least we had no yellows die. It's just red. Went down the population, 17 died. Anyway, see you next time. Bye bye.